Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the performance around one of the most famous games in the stores, namely Angry Birds, to show you which data is available for any app that you may choose to track using Priori. So first I'm going to identify the app by searching for it here. You see the Angry Birds, the good old school Angry Birds title is here. I'm going to look at the Android version for this video, and as I've selected it, it'll take me to the default page, which is available for anyone, whether you've paid for a subscription with Priori or not. So before we start tracking or quick viewing this app, we will have an understanding of the global downloads and the global revenues for the last calendar month, which in this case is June 2016. Now, specifically for this analysis, I'm interested in understanding the performance around this app during the launch or during the premiere of the Angry Birds movie, which was around May 12th. So to get historic data, I need to track the app. I click track. And if you're on a pay-as-you-go plan, you would pay $10 for this additional app that you would want to track. However, now I'm on an enterprise level plan with 500 available apps, so this will just be counted against the total of number of apps that I can track within a given month. I'll confirm. As I confirm, it'll unlock the data at the country level and also historic information for downloads and revenues for Angry Birds. Specifically for this analysis, I'm interested in understanding the performance from April 1st. So I'm going to change the time selection to a custom one, April 1st, until July 5th, which is the most recent day available. Now you'll see here the trend chart for the global information, but I'm not interested necessarily only in the global data. Rather, I'm interested in the performance in the largest country, which is, as you can see up here, the US, both in terms of downloads and revenues. When I go to the selected data, I'll therefore deselect global and select the US. I could choose to plot the US against up till 16 other countries, but for this analysis, I'm going to focus only on the US. But not just downloads. I also want to understand how the app was monetizing in this time period, so I'm going to add revenue as an additional metric and reload. Now you'll see the performance of downloads and revenues from April 1st up until July 5th. And you can see that there was a spike around the end of April, going slightly down, and then again growing quite significantly just immediately after the launch and actually keeping momentum for quite a while. If I want to understand the total sum of downloads and revenues for this time period, it's available down here. So you'll see for the selected time period, 2 million in terms of downloads and 125,000 US dollars for this Android version of the Angry Birds app. You can easily change how the data is displayed by going to the data grouping and select daily, weekly, or monthly aggregation of the data. Let's try weekly. And you can also change chart type, so maybe you prefer to see the data in columns, and we'll make that available for you as well. If you wanted data for the last 3 months, year to date, or even the last year, that's easily available with just a click of a button. Also, you can choose to export the data to CSV to work with it in Excel. I hope this tutorial proves useful for you. Thank you for watching.